Major General Petronella van Rooyen, SAPS Legal Services head, took the stand at the Madlanga Commission and clarified the constitutional role of South Africa's police minister. She said a minister's duty is to provide policy direction.
And I think moving from that part, that there can never be a general blanket exclusion, that there may be circumstances where a minister may competently issue directives or give direction by way of policy. If I could then ask you to move from that point and continue with paragraph 28 of your statement.
While neither Chapter 11 of the Constitution nor the SAPS Act provides for clear guidance on the ambit or scope of a policy or directives that the minister may issue, it is important to note that Section 85 of the Constitution deals with the executive authority of the Republic. Section 85(2) provides that the President exercises the executive authority together with other members of Cabinet by implementing national legislation except where the Constitution or an Act of Parliament provides otherwise, by developing and implementing national policy, by coordinating the functions of state departments and administrations, by preparing and initiating legislation, and by performing any other executive function provided for in the Constitution or national legislation. Section 92 of the Constitution provides that members of the Cabinet are accountable collectively and individually to Parliament for the exercise of their powers and the performance of their functions, and must act in accordance with the Constitution and provide Parliament with full and regular reports concerning matters under their control.
And then you proceed in paragraph 31 to conclude by providing your views subject to the qualification that you stipulate therein. If I can just ask you to deal with that.
In my view, which I offer purely for purposes of assistance, while I note that the issue relating to the proper implementation is reserved for the commissioners.
Interpretation.
Relating to the proper interpretation is reserved for the commissioners. The role of a minister, according to me, is therefore to provide national direction on a strategic level in accordance with government policy.